Bore da bawb. Good morning, everyone. Bore da bawb. Today, we're going to focus on Gwaith team, teamwork. Gwaith team. Felly, mae hi'n amser cynhesu. Warm up, cynhesu. We are going to warm up. Rydyn ni'n mynd I gynhesu. Pawb sefwch. Spread out. Ac eto and again. Spread out ac eto. Da iawn. Right. Mae hi'n amser ymestyn. Time to stretch. Amser ymestyn. We'll start with some basic stretches. Raise your arms I fyny, up, I fyny, ac I lawr. Da iawn ac eto and again. Raise your arms, ac I lawr. Da iawn. Nesaf, next, nesaf, braich ydy hon. Beth ydy hon? 3, 2, 1. Braich. Da iawn, braich. Braichiau ydy rhain. Beth ydy rhain? 3, 2, 1. Breichiau. Arbennig, felly, codwch eich braichiau. Ac I lawr. Gyda'n gilydd, together, unwaith eto. Codwch eich braichiau. Ac I lawr. Da iawn, bawb. Ac yn adlwch. Breathe, yn adlwch. Da iawn, bawb. Great work.